All right, guys, so check out this new seed sprouting kit that I got. So I have a lot of seed sprouting kits. I love adding different kinds of seed sprouts to my sandwiches, to my salads. You can also use them to make chicken snacks, like feed your chickens. So this is a really nice design. So first of all, you have the bamboo wooden tray to hold everything in. And so we have the blackout sleeves here. Because when your beans are actually starting to sprout, you do need to keep them in the dark. And so we have the mesh screen here, so you can fill the water, pour the water out. I like to do them staggered. So like today, these are already starting to sprout. So I'll probably go ahead and soak some seeds in the next one overnight. Get them nice and soaked and hold them in the water overnight. And then after about 12 or 24 hours, pour the water out and then start doing them upside down. And so you're going to drain all that water out of there as much as you can get. And then kind of just break them up a little bit so they're not all clumped together. And then you're going to sit them right down in here. Of course, the tray this will be on it up until about day 4. So we are on day 4 today. And what I love about this, let me show you a little close up. So because this is a wooden bamboo, we don't want the water to pull down inside there. So each one of these has its own little tray to collect the water. So you see that right there. And so when I put this down in here like that, that little tray is going to collect all the water and juices that are coming out. And so this will look really nice. It's aesthetic, so it's not going to look all ugly sitting on your counter. And like I said, I do them staggered. So we're on about day 4 with this one. So today I'm going to go ahead and pour some seeds in here, soak them overnight. And, you know, by tomorrow, I'll probably start eating these. And that way every day, once they do start sprouting, I just kind of have them in rotation. Instead of doing them all at once, I like to do them staggered that way. So yeah. If you're just looking for an aesthetic way to do your seed sprouting, to start adding more of this kind of stuff to your diet, I think this really great choice.